Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session, what we'll be doing is we'll be looking at this particular problem where we need to find the common character in a given string, right? So we'll need a frequency counter, I guess, FREQ, frequency counter, and then we simply do a for loop, right, for I in S, and then we simply do if I in frequency, then we simply do frequency I plus equals to 1, right? Else we simply do what? We simply create it frequency I equals to 1, right? And once that is done, we need to return as well the highest among it, right? So how do we do that? We know the values contain the highest thing in it, right? So we can do max in frequency, and then we need to do the key argument we provide, lambda, and if we were to pass x in it, right, the argument, so that will be the key kind of thing, right? So in frequency we do x, right, because we are looking for this particular key. So we pass in key and then that's it. So let's run the code. Works just fine, right? Let's submit it. I hope you understood this part, huh? So it's like even though we are doing max, max will still loop over everything, right? So every time it is looping over, it's actually getting the key from the frequency dictionary, and that is being passed into this thing. Okay. Ah, this was better, man. This was super better. Yeah, that would have been much easier, huh? This thing. S dot count. This is the elegant solution, okay? So that would have been the most best way to do it. Right, there was a count option already over there. I was thinking like there might be something related to count, but you see, maybe we could have just done print s dot count. Right, that would give out what? Let's just see. Count x in this thing, one argument. Okay. uh, String dot count. Let's just see what it takes. Okay, it should be provided with a value, right? With a value. So any substring that we actually want to count. Okay, so yeah, that's a elegant way to do it. It's a little bit advanced, I guess, in my opinion, but most people would go around this thing, right? Yeah, that's how we solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.